Now, number one. Number one, you look 1 minus a modulus value of 1 minus a z1, z2 ର conjugate. You look the conjugate of z2 given ର whole square a minus of z1 minus z2 ର modulus ର whole square is equal to, we have to prove 1 minus of z1 whole square 1 minus of z1 whole square whole into 1 minus of z2 whole square. You look that problem, particular that problem, also same as number 24 in this exercise, in your book, exercise 6b, number 1 equivalent to number 24. Okay, now we have to prove from LHS to RHS. Okay, let taking Z1 is a complex number, no doubt Z1 is a complex number. So taking Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to and Z2 is equal to C plus ID. Taking Z1 is equal to A plus IB and Z2 is equal to C plus ID are two different complex numbers and A not equal to C and B not equal to D. That's all. Okay. Now the conjugate of Z2. We have needed the conjugate of Z2. So Z2, the conjugate is equal to C minus ID. I already told you about the conjugate. Only change the sign of the imaginary part. Here imaginary part is ID plus ID. So it is become minus ID. If it is minus ID, then Z2 conjugate is plus ID. So only change the sign of the imaginary part, not real part. Real part same as before. So now 1 minus of Z1 into Z2 bar modulus whole square, we have find to Z1 into Z2 bar. Now taking LHS 1 minus of, you put value of Z1 is equal to A plus IB into Z2 conjugate, the value of conjugate is equal to C minus ID around square minus of Z1 minus Z2. Z1 means here you can take Z1 is equal to A plus IB minus of C plus of ID raw square. You look that given LHS. I am taking LHS 1 Z1 value, you put the value of Z1 and Z2 conjugate value of Z2 I have put here and A that is value is equal to Z1 and minus Z2. Okay. Now you just simple multiply. You know the multiplication of the complex number. So you just simple multiplied 1 minus of A into C minus of IAD plus of IBC minus of I square BD raw square. Here simple real part with real part, A minus of C, taking common I common, that is B minus of D. Just you look the value of that. So you know the value of I square. You know the value of I square. That square here is square. Okay. Then you know the value of I square. I square value is equal to minus 1. So minus became plus. So that becomes 1 plus BD, 1 plus BD minus AC. That's the real part. And the imaginary part is equal to minus into minus plus. So taking I common, AD minus of BC. Why BC minus BC? Because it is plus. The symbol is a negative symbol before the bracket. So this symbol changes, this sign changes plus to minus. AD minus of BC. Modulus of square. Here minus of A minus of C plus of I B minus of D modulus of square. Do you know value of modulus? modulus a plus id modulus, what is the value of modulus of z1? A square plus b square root over. So real part of square plus imaginary part of square root over. Since there is modulus of square achi, so root over can maybe cancels. Root over you cannot use root overs. So now मैं लिखे दूची देख ये कौन हम रियल पार्ट हूँ के अच्छी दैट बिकेम्स के रियल पार्ट ऑफ स्क्वायर बिकॉज मॉडुलस ऑफ स्क्वायर अच्छी 1 प्लस बी डी माइनस ए सी स्क्वायर प्लस ए सी माइनस बी सी ए सी ए डी सॉरी ए डी माइनस बी सी स्क्वायर माइनस ये मॉडुलस ऑफ स्क्वायर अच्छी a minus of c square minus of b minus of d square because minus is before this bracket, so we can use in this way, you can write. Now simplify that particular equation to simplify. Simplify means you know a plus b minus c whole square, that is a square 1 square 1 plus of b square d square plus of a square c square plus of 2bd plus into minus minus of 2abcd minus of 2ac plus ad square a square d square plus of b square c square minus of 2ab हाँ 2abcd here minus of a square minus of c square minus of plus 2ac, sorry plus 2ac because minus is before it have a minus of b square minus of d square minus of plus 2b, that is equal to, that's value is equal to that. Now minus of 2ac plus 2ac cancel, minus of 2bd 2bd 2ac 2bd, here is a square b square 2bd 1 plus 2bd, that is 2bc not bd, that is 2bd a square 2bd, yes 2bd minus of 2bd, here is plus 2bd, no 2bd remaining remains. Now the value is becomes 1 plus a square d square plus b square d square plus a square c square 2bd means 4bd minus 2abcd minus of 2abcd, that is minus of 4abcd, and then a square d square means 2a square d square, a square d square b square d square, okay, and a square c square b square c square achi plus b square c square, here is b square c square and minus a square minus of b square minus of c square and minus of d square, that becomes, you can write in this way also 1 plus a square c square b square d square a square d square b square c square, okay, that's value equal to L, that is the value of LHS. Then you have done the RHS, you kept this place, that is the value of LHS, and then you can use the value of RHS. Similarly RHS you can put RHS 1 minus of where z1 no modulus value of z1 no modulus that is a square plus of b square root over तार स्क्वायर के यार स्क्वायर, that is equal to a square plus of b square. Similarly minus 2abcd plus 2abcd हम ये जस्ट गोटे मिनिट ये माइनस 2abcd 4abcd कटिज माइनस यहाँ है के 2abcd 2bcad, ठीक अच्छे ad प्लस b स्क्वायर है प्लस माइनस हम तो माइनस 2abcd हो नो डाउट, यहाँ माइनस हम bd into ac माइनस, ठीक अच्छे सो a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर. Similarly z2 रो मॉडुलस स्क्वायर टा केता कहलो 1 एटा केता कहलो c स्क्वायर प्लस d स्क्वायर RHS So 1 minus of a square minus of b square whole into 1 minus of c square in minus of d square. You just multiply and find the value of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you can find the value of that value. You also find that value. That is the, you multiply that and that, you can find that value. So that is the number 1. That is number 1. And similarly you can do number 2. That is the number 1. Simply you multiply that in that, you can find that value. So now you are going to solve the remaining problems. Number 1 it is completed now. Now number 2. Number 2 is some important idea must be used in this way. Some tricks that you must adopt it. That is in number 2. Number 2, you look number 2. Number 2 is, if a, b, c are complex numbers given and satisfying a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Given a plus of b plus of c is equal to 0. That condition given, where a and b and c are complex number given. Then also given, what also given? That is a square plus b square plus c square. A square plus b square plus c square is equal to 0. Also given. That two conditions given. To find the modulus value of a, we have to prove modulus value of a to prove. Number 2 eta. To prove is equal to modulus value of b is equal to modulus value of c. It is more important than number 1. You look that how to, we are going to prove this. Where a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then its square also 0. 0 square is equal to 0. Now we can write a square plus of b square plus of c square plus of 2ab plus of 2bc plus of 2ca is equal to 0. But given, you have given a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 0. That value also given 0. So 2 whole into ab plus of bc plus of ca is equal to 0. Because that value is equal to 0, where a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 0 given. So 0. So 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c is equal to 0. So 2 is divided in both sides. We have find ab plus of bc plus ca is equal to 0. We find that value. If a plus b plus c is equal to 0 and a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 0, then we have find ab plus bc is equal to c is equal to 0. Now we are going to done that problem how to solve this way. Okay. Now a, b, that equation from ab plus of bc is equal to plus c separate kete minus of ca. So ab plus bc is equal to minus ca. Now we are taking common b from both. So b is equal to a plus c is equal to minus of ca. Do you know a plus c is equal to here a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So a plus c is equal to that is minus of b. You look, if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then a plus c is equal to minus b. Instead of a plus c, we can put value minus b. A plus c value, we can put minus b. So now b whole into minus of b is equal to minus of ca. b into minus b minus b square. So minus of b square is equal to minus of ca. Minus minus taking cancel. So b square is equal to became ca. So now bq is equal to abc. Look, where b square is equal to ca. Multiplied b square into b is equal to became bq. So ca into b, that is abc. And systematically you can write cab equivalent to abc. So bq is equal to abc. Similarly, aq is equal to abc and cq is equal to abc. We prove bq is equal to abc. Similarly, we can prove aq is equal to abc, cq is equal to abc. So we have to find that AQ is equal to BQ, because AQ is equal to ABC, BQ is equal to ABC, CQ is equal to ABC. So AQ is equal to BQ is equal to CQ. That means the modulus of AQ is equal to modulus value of BQ, modulus value of CQ. That means modulus value of A is equal to modulus value of B is equal to modulus value of C. That is proved. That is proved. Some tricks we have used in this process, in this problem, especially some tricks we have used. But number 3, when ellipse and hyperbola is teaching to you, then I can define about it, because number I, you can just you remember that, in this case number I, z minus a plus z plus a is equal to 2c, where modulus value of a is less than c, then it is a ellipse, and 2i case it is a hyperbola. For I case it is a ellipse, but when I teach you in the class, when I teach you about ellipse, hyperbola and a circle, then I can describe about it, because you don't know about what is ellipse, what is hyperbola and what is others. So I cannot told about number 3 now today, special today. After you read ellipse, hyperbola and circles, then I can tell about details number 3. Okay, now I am going to number 21. Number 21. Yes, number 21. Given number 21 given you, now z is equal to x plus iy. We have to prove the modulus value of x plus modulus value of y less than equal to root 2 z. Okay, okay. Oh. Number 21. Number 21. Number 21 is, that is, special number 21 is z is equal to x plus iy. Z is equal to x plus iy. To prove given, to prove कौन करेगा परिचय हम prove करेगा, to prove that is to prove x, the modulus value of x plus modulus value of y is less than, strictly less than, or less than equal to root 2 z. We have to prove that equal to root 2 z. Now, do you know value of modulus value? Do you know the modulus value of z is equal to x square plus y square root over. X square plus y square root over. But you know the modulus value of x minus the modulus value of y. No. Yes, the modulus value of x minus the modulus value of y cross square also greater than equal to 0, because it may be negative, but negative square is always a positive. If it is positive, no doubt it is equal to positive. I think I can give you a detail about this explanation, because if x is less than modulus value of x is less than modulus value of y, then it is a negative number. So negative number, the square of the negative number always positive. If x is greater than the modulus value of y, then positive square also positive. If both are equal, then it is equal to 0. So mod x minus mod y square must be greater than equal to 0, no doubt. If both are same, then it is 0. Otherwise, it is greater than to equal to 0. Now it is strictly greater than equal to 0, greater than 0. That equal to x square plus mod y square minus of 2xy or 2 mod x into mod y is equal to greater than 0, greater than equal to 0. Then we have added mod x square mod y square. We have added in both cases. Just use them 2 x square plus 2 mod y square. We added mod x square plus mod y square both sides. Minus of 2 mod x into mod y greater than equal to, that implies mod x square plus mod y square. You look 2x plus y square minus of 2x plus y mod x square plus mod y square. No doubt that is the value of mod x square plus mod y square. That becomes 2 whole into mod x square plus mod y square. That minus taking right side became plus, greater than equal to mod x square plus mod y square plus 2 mod x into mod y. You look, that minus taking to right side became plus. Here 2 mod x square mod y square, that is no doubt 2z square, mod x square plus mod y square is equal to z square. Okay, because here I have also write mod z square is equal to mod x square plus mod y square, z square. So instead of mod x square plus mod y square, you can use 2 mod z square greater than mod x square plus mod y square plus 2 mod x into mod y is equal to mod x plus mod y whole square, greater than equal mod x plus mod y whole square. Taking root over both sides, taking root over both sides. So root 2z mod z greater than mod x plus mod y. Proved. We have to prove that. हमें यह प्रूव करार थिला. देखो भला देखो, that problem is most no doubt very important problems. You look what tricks I am adopted in this case particularly. Taking z is equal to x plus I given to हमें कौन प्रूव करवा, x रो मॉडुलस वैल्यू plus y रो मॉडुलस वैल्यू less than root to root mod of z. So mod of z means x square plus y square root over, you already know. So mod z square is equal to mod x square plus mod y square. You already know that. A particular step, it is a important step in this question, particular question. So mod x minus mod y square. If mod x less than mod y, then mod x minus mod y, no doubt the value is negative. The value of a negative square also positive is greater than 0. If mod x is greater than mod y, that also value is positive, for positive square also positive. If mod x is equal to mod y, then it becomes 0. Otherwise, it is strictly greater than 0. Okay. So mod x plus mod y square, that is that formula already you know, x minus y whole square plus y square minus 2xy. Since it is using mod, so we are using mod in these cases. So now you have added, in particular in this step, you look. Here is mod x square, mod y square. We added this term. We added these terms in both sides, in left side and right side. We added mod x square plus mod y square plus mod x square plus mod y square, that becomes 2 mod x square plus mod y square is equal to 0 plus mod x square plus mod y square is equal to mod x square plus y square. That we have used. That particular term is added in both sides. It becomes 2 and it becomes single one. So now that minus 2 mod x minus mod y, taking minus taking right sides, mod x square plus mod y square plus 2 mod x mod y. That also you know, mod x plus mod x y whole square. It is also root mod z square. Taking root over in both sides, root mod z it becomes greater than equal mod x plus y. If it is the side changes, mod x plus mod y less than equal to root 2 z. The mod x. That we have proved. That we have proved. Okay, that is the number 21. No, sorry, 21. Now we are going to 22. Now I am going to 22. After 22, I am telling to you about, specially about some problems that I have faced in toppers. Today at 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. I have faced a problem about the complex number in topper questions. I also discussing about it. You look number 22. Yes, number 22. 22 very simple question. 22 is not very important for you. Real z1 into z2. Taking z1 is equal to a plus ib, and z2 is equal to c plus id. Taking z1 is equal to a plus ib and z2 is equal to c plus id. Now we are going to prove this pattern. A plus ib whole into z2 down to c plus id. Now z1 into z2 simple multiplication, a plus ib whole into c plus id. You look, a into c plus ibc, a into id iad, ib into id I square bt. Do you know I square bt? The I square value is the I square is equal to minus 1. The value of I square is equal to minus 1. So here becomes minus bt. ac minus of bt, taking I common, bc plus ad. Now taking real z1 z2. First question 1. Taking real z1 z2. Re means real part of z1 z2. Real part of z1 z2 is equal to ac minus of bt. You look, that is real part and that is imaginary, because the multiplied with I is imaginary and the multiplied with is no I, there is no existence of I, that is the real part. So AC minus BT is equal to real part. So A, you look, the A value is real of Z1, A is the real part of Z1. Instead of A you can write real Z1. The real part of Z1 is equal A, and C is the real part of Z2. Real Z1 into real Z2. B is the imaginary of Z1. IM, in your books using IM, imaginary of Z1 into imaginary of that is D, imaginary of Z2. Already proved. That is already proved. You look, a real part of Z1 is Z2 is equal to AC minus of BT. You look, AC minus BT real part, that is imaginary part. So real of Z1 is Z2 is equal to AC minus BT, where A is equal to real of Z1 and C is real of Z2, real Z1 into real Z2 minus B is the imaginary Z1 and D is the imaginary Z2, imaginary Z1 into imaginary. That is very simple. That problem is very simple. Again given imaginary, again given in part 2, imaginary Z1 and Z2. Imaginary Z1 Z2 is equal to BC plus AD. BC plus AD. BC plus, that is imaginary part, that is the real part. So B, what is the value of B? C, B, C, देखो B, C टा होची real of Z2. In your books given wrong answer given. That is actually BC plus AD. BC means B is the imaginary part of Z1. It IM of Z1, C is होची into C टा होची real of Z2. Where A is real of Z1, D is imaginary number Z2. But in your books given, a real Z1 into real Z2, imaginary Z1 into imaginary Z2 into imaginary Z1. That is wrong. That is wrong. That is correct. Imaginary Z1 into real Z2, a real Z1 into imaginary Z2. In the second part in your book is given wrong. You can correction that part. That is imaginary Z1 into real Z2 plus a real Z1 into imaginary Z2. But given real Z1 into real Z2 plus imaginary Z2 into imaginary Z1. That is wrong. Okay. So now I already told about a problems of toppers that I have faced today in 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. on this session. That problem is in this type. Just I give you some clue. That question is one question of toppers. I to the power 5 minus of 5 4 9. I to the power of minus 549. That is very easy question, but sometimes the students can failure to done this problem because they are going to a wrong path or wrong way, will never reach the to find the value of the solution. Okay, now I to the power of 549, that becomes 1 by I to the power of 549. First you write, because the power of minus is became plus in denominator sides. Now you can write I to the power 548 into I to the power 548 into I. Now 1 by I square, you know the value of I square to the power 548 by 2, 548 by 2, 274 into 2 is equal to 548 into I. So you look 2 into 274, that is 548 into I. 1 by minus 1, I square means minus 1 to the power of 274. 274 is a even number into I. Since 274 is a even number, minus 1 even power is equal to 1, becomes 1. 1 by 1 into I. 1, because minus 1 square is equal to 1 minus 1 into 274 times becomes 1. So 1 into I is equal to I. 1 by I is equal to, not in A plus IB form. So multiplied I in numerator, also multiplied I in denominator. So 1 into I into I. It becomes I divided by I square. Where you know the value of I square is equal to minus 1. That is I by minus 1 becomes minus I. That is the answer. That is the answer. I to the power minus 49, I to the power minus 5, I to the power minus 549 is equal to minus I. So that is the tricks you can adopt in this process and find your goal. Okay, now I am going to discussing about ठीक अच्छे मत कही ओके पाने आउ जो प्रोब्लेम रहा कौन नंबर 23 नंबर पाखर 29 नंबर 28 नंबर जो प्रोब्लेम रहा मु नेक्स्ट क्लास रे सरी तेणु टुडे लास्ट ओके ऑल द बेस्ट।